Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Today we're talking about cap rate. What exactly is cap rate and why is this so important for investors? You know, one of the biggest clients that we cater to is investors for commercial and residential investments. And so one of the things that we work with a lot of new investors, and we'll work with a lot of seasoned top dog investors. But it's always good to go back to cap rate and understanding what exactly that is and how important that is for your investment. So remember, what exactly is cap rate? Cap rate is actually the return on your investment, the return on your purchase price of your asset. So just real quick, you can always have this as a rule of thumb. The simple division is whatever the purchase price is over your net return of the property is your actual cap rate. So you can do a quick division. Let's say that the property that you're buying is $1.8 million and it's throwing off $80,000 a year of net income. So if you do the division of $80,000 over $1.8 million, that comes out to about 4.5% cap rate. That's exactly what cap rate is. So why does this number matter? Because investors are looking for a certain return, a certain yield on their investment. And generally, as a rule of thumb, obviously an investor wants a higher cap rate, ideally a double-digit cap rate. So the question that you have to look at when you're investigating and researching all your properties for investments is what exactly is the cap rate that you're getting? So how much am I paying for it? What is my return? Most investors will not do a deal where the cap rate was 4.5%. It's not enough return for them after the cost of the loan, after the cost of the capital, after inflation. It doesn't make sense for them to do. Most investors are looking for 10, 15, 20% returns in order to invest in a deal. So you have to decide for yourself what is good for you. I can tell you that the most investors that we deal with are looking for anywhere from 8 to 15% on a cap rate. Okay? So always remember, whatever the purchase price of the property is, whether it's a single family, 1 door, 2 doors, 4 doors, 20 doors, 1,000 doors, what's the purchase price? What is the net return? And do that simple division to determine what your cap rate is. Remember, you want the higher cap rate, the better. So you're looking for a double-digit cap rate because that means it's a higher net return back to you on a percentage basis. Most investors, they like a double-digit return of 10 to 15%. Personally, I would not do a investment. I would not do a deal if it had a single-digit cap rate because that's less return for you. And it's not really worth your time or your capital to invest in that deal. If you're getting single-digit returns, you can allocate your capital somewhere else. Remember, we do all different types of funding. We do commercial loans, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, hard money loans, portfolio loans, private loans, no-doc loans, blanket loans, lines of credit. We specialize with investor loans, so we'd love to help you with any type of investments that we can. And we're here to educate you guys and empower you and show you the best type of loans that you can get for your situation because we have all different types of financing options for you. But it's always important to remember, not to overpay for something, pick out the right location and make sure it's the right investment for you. Just don't rush into a deal to quickly do something just because you want to be active or be involved in something. Make sure it's the right deal for you. It's the right location, it has the right cap rate so you can make money because in the end, it's all about making money, right? Having a good time, enjoying the process, but making money. If you're not making money, you're not going to continue to do it. So make sure that you're making money because that's a very important thing and that you have a very attractive cap rate. It might be hard to get a 15% cap rate, but you can find those deals out there that have, a 10 to 12% return. I would not do anything for a 3%, a 4%, or 5% return. It doesn't make any sense to do it, okay? So make sure you have a high cap rate. Remember how to calculate cap rate and what to look out for in your investment deal. If we can help with any type of funding for commercial or residential, please call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331, or click on the link below to get signed up to get pre-approved with Angelo Christian. Thank you so much for watching our show on our channel, and check out my next video. And thank you. Bye-bye.